Alright, this is our ultrasonic sensor project. Measure distance, lets us know how to make a reaction based on the distance that's sensed. We got our cable going from USB to circuit. We got about 11 jumper cables, our Uno circuit board, our breadboard. We got a sensor, 3 LEDs, green, red, and blue, and a buzzer. Alright, so we start with the code uploaded from Blackboard. Thanks to the professor. Really helped out. Read the inputs. Looks like long range is going to be about 20 centimeters, mid range 10 centimeters, short range 5 or less centimeters. 20 or less, 10 or less, 5 or less. That's how it's set up. So let's set up our breadboard, get the circuit going. We can see if it works. Alright. We'll set up our sensor somewhere over here. Like that. We got our ground and everything. Let's see. Let's set up maybe something like that. These are going to be our signals for the sensor. All right. From there, we're gonna need, make sure they're all the way in there. We're gonna need positive, negatives. Let's go with blue for negative. I want to say it's right about there. And let's go with white for our ground. Which is designated by a prong system. I like to keep them in line just so that they fit a little better. And then we'll throw on our LEDs. We'll do our positive on the short side. Let's go heck, right about here. Keep them in line. If I can get it in there. Let's go with maybe move this up. Just so I have room to work. And maybe one more. These are going to designate our long, mid-range, and short range sensors. Sense lights.
Mommy, where's not there?
Ah, shoot. This goes a little quicker when I'm not nervous.
Mommy, what's happened? Listen, it's not there.
And we'll go one more. And I'll make this regular then. That's not gonna work. And there we are. All right. Let's try, I don't know, our longest. Let's make that our green light. Well, we can arrange them. Let's make our red. You know, I'm gonna go orange. Just so I can designate middle, short and long. All right. Next, we'll need the buzzer.
Mommy, where's the door?
Buzzer we can
No.
put somewhere right about there. And we're in. And on the buzzer, so we need a positive and negative. The positive is gonna actually be the circuit, and our negative is gonna be the power coming from. So let's do a negative. Do a negative. Now let's do a positive, which is right about. Right about. If I can get it in there. Emmy, let me record, please. Please, baby. And why can't I get it in? There we go. Bless you. Alright, so we got our breadboard set up. Now we need to hook it up to the circuit. I like to start with setting up my ground and my positive. Designate black for the ground. We'll go 5 volt for our positive. And then once we hook that up to the breadboard, we should have success. Alright. So, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We can start with the sensor. Those are going to 2 different ports, ports 2 and 3, according to our code up here. Our echo and our trig pin. Trig pin would be port 2, and our port 3 will be our echo pin. If I can get it in. Port 2 and port 3. All right, and all right, now we need to hook up our long range, short range. We'll go over here. Our long range is our port 8, middle port 11, short port 12, port 8, middle port 11, and our short range port 12. All right, and our buzzer I like to put last just because it made sense all the way around. So last thing to do, just add negative and positive. A ground. The ground, I guess, can go anywhere. You're just grounding the circuit, so I'll make it close. But the positive, I gotta bring all the way to where the positives start. So I'll bring that right here in the middle. I know the professor has bring them all the way to the end, but I found that just putting them more direct seemed to work very well. All right, so we got a code, we got a circuit set up, we got a sensor, we got something to sense. I got a measuring stick with 20 centimeters, 20, 10, 5. I guess it should be like turned around, but we're gonna go 20, 10, and 5. Easy peasy. All right, let's plug it in. See what we got. All right. Looks like not quite the same power. Okay, I must have done something a little wrong. I think I might have my lights on backwards. Let's try that. Let's try the first light, see if it goes. Let's see, this would be our long range. So it says our long range is 8. Looks like we already got some coming up as far as measurements. And nada, why am I not getting? So here's my positive, send it over there. Let me try a different positive port. And then let's try our middle. Port 11. Little difficult. Why am I not getting it? Positive, positive. Alright. Watch out, my love. Please. So I got power going there. I got power going there. I'm already reading. Why can I not get my sensors going? So here's our power. Oop, oop. I guess that coming out would make it not work. Going in. Port 11. None. I think I might be lined up wrong. Yep, that's where it was. I just lined up a little wrong. Alright, so once I plug this into port 8, and I just have my lights on backwards. Ah, chucks. Still not. I am at a standstill. But I did get this working. I do have it running. It was working. I can measure 10, 20, 10, and 5. But we'll try another retake. Alright. Thank you.